for a bit. I asked once when I was an intern, what person in Sioux City has the absolute weirdest name? And this is without a doubt Asahel Wheeler Hubbard.
What about Telemachus Johnson?
Asahel is weirder, in my opinion. So, Asahel Wheeler Hubbard was born in Connecticut in 1819. He was an early leader of the newly formed Republican Party, and after passing the bar in 1841, he practiced law in Rushville, Indiana. He served as a member of the Indiana House of Representatives from 1847 to 1849. He came to Sioux City in 1857 and served as district court judge from 1858 until 1862. He was the first person from Sioux City to be elected into Congress, and he served from 1862 to 1869. He was involved in the Sawyer's expeditions, making that Niobrara Road out to Montana, one of the founders of First National Bank and its president for many years, and a prime mover in organizing the Sioux City and Pembina Railroad, as well as the Covington, Columbus, and Black Hills Railroad. He was so popular with the citizens that they erected this headstone in his honor upon his death. His son, E.H. Hubbard, who you'll see up there, so you'll see another stone that says Hubbard, that's his son, Elbert H. Hubbard, also served as a Sioux City congressman. Yeah. So you don't have to move, but right over there